Hello and welcome back to RCwithAdam. Bottom line up front, I just saw that Aldi has these Ezy, as in Ezy storage bins available for like $9.99, $10. These are the best bins that I've found to put filament in. Spools of 3D filament, that's what I use for all of my stuff. Typically, I have only found these available at Hobby Lobby, and they're showing for about $17, which is still a great price because I can't find them anywhere else. But Aldi right now, currently, at least here in North Carolina, has them for stacks of them, like by the front kind of checkout area, for $10 a piece, which is really great. So it's not like the most handy way to store filament, but it does work very well. Let me show you right now. I can fit about 13 spools, easily 13 spools. So you just stack them in here like this. Hopefully it's going to be a little blurry on the camera, but you can see them in here. You can stack them in like that. Like that. They are clear, so you can kind of see some of the the colors. It gets a little bit of a pain. Right now I have like 4 of them that are full, and I don't have them organized super well. So that might be something to do later in another video, but go check that out if that's interesting to you. These are really great because they have a waterproof seal around them, quite durable in my experience, and they have like 6 latches so that you get a really good seal. And then also just toss in some silica beads, like some desiccant. And then I've found it protects the filament from getting too waterlogged, which is really great. So check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you again very soon on the next one. Bye-bye.